Hello, Lakeland, and welcome to Good Morning, Lakeland.
I'm Savannah.
And I'm Sid, and we will be your anchors for today.
Just a reminder, Lakeland, you must wear a mask at school that covers your nose and mouth at all times until further notice. Thank you for your help and understanding. We know this can be tough, but please help Lakeland stay safe and stop the spread. Thanks.
Well, homecoming is fast approaching, and this year is going to be a great one. Next week has a lot of things to do for all Lakeland students.
It all starts this Sunday with cafeteria decorating. Decorating will be from noon until 4 here at Lakeland. Come out and help support your class as they battle the other classes for the best homecoming wall.
This Monday through Friday is Spirit Week. Monday is Cowboy Western Day. Tuesday is Beach Day. Wednesday is Jersey Day. Thursday is Class Color Day. And Friday is Lakeland Day.
For class colors, seniors are black, juniors are red, sophomores are purple, and freshmen are gray. If you order a homecoming t-shirt, they will be available next week in all the school stores.
Friday the 24th is Homecoming Friday. We will have our annual Big Pep Assembly after second hour. Our games include Spikeball, Dodgeball, Hungry Hungry Hippos, and Tug of War. Spikeball and Dodgeball sign-up sheets are available outside of Mr. Rolando's Leadership Room A506. Hungry Hungry Hippos and Tug of War will be volunteer-based and will be freshmen versus sophomores and juniors versus seniors. Please volunteer. For an 8-person dodgeball team, we will require at least one girl for a team. Spikeball will work with sign-ups and teams of 1 girl and 1 boy. There will be 2 5-minute games instead of playing to a score. It will be seniors versus sophomores and freshmen versus juniors. Please sign up ASAP. The winner of first rounds plays against each other. Thanks.
Friday night, we have our big homecoming football game when Eagles take on the Lions of South Lyon at 7 p.m. At halftime, the 2021 Homecoming King and Queen will be announced. Final voting for Homecoming King and Queen will be today and is going on right now. Voting will run through 5th hour. Please vote by the end of 5th hour today. Thanks.
Finally, Saturday we will have our homecoming dance from 7 until 10:30 p.m. in the Lakeland Fieldhouse. Students who will be required to wear a mask at the dance per the county guidelines. Thank you for the support, Lakeland.
Tickets for the homecoming dance are on sale in the school store at all 3 lunches and are online through eFunds. Tickets are $25 in school store and $27 online due to online ticketing funds. Come on out and help LHS celebrate Homecoming 2021 Halloween Dreams all next week.
Attention all students, don't forget to buy your 2021-2022 Lakeland yearbooks today. Yearbooks are $75 and you should get one now before the prices go up later this school year. You can go to the Lakeland High School website where you will find a link that says click here for yearbook information, or you can go to www.yearbookforever.com and search for Lakeland High School. If you have any questions, please email Mr. Head. Also, don't forget to follow the yearbook on Instagram at LHS_yearbook2020.
Just a reminder that next Tuesday is a early release day. School will be dismissed at 12:33 p.m. and breakfast and lunch will be served. Thank you.
Lakeland is working on rescheduling school pictures for the freshman class. We are so sorry for the inconvenience this may have caused. Stay tuned for more information.
Students, don't forget that lunch and breakfast are free again this year for all students. Make sure you take advantage of this offer.
And now for sports. The Lakeland varsity volleyball team defeated Walled Lake Central 3 games, 1 on Tuesday night. Great job, girls. The freshmen in JV also defeated the Vikings. Great job to a whole volleyball program.
The girls cross country team lost a close meet to Walled Lake Northern on Tuesday. Congrats to our top runners.
Our varsity 3-0 varsity football team is home tonight when they take on Waterford Mott. Game time is 7 p.m. and the theme is whiteout. Don't forget to follow the LHS Blue Crew account on Twitter at Lakeland_Blue Crew and their LHS Blue Crew account on Instagram.
Open gyms for both girls and boys basketball start the week of September 20th. If you are interested in playing basketball this winter and would like to get involved, please see Coach Thomas or Coach Leatham.
Remember that you can find all of the latest athletic information out on the Lakeland Athletics Facebook and Twitter. Also, you can watch many of the games live through the NFHS network. Go Eagles!
Well, it's time for Anchor Shoutouts. First out is me. I'd like to shout out Elise McCall because it's her birthday week.
And I would like to shout out my good friend Savannah Miller and congratulate her on committing to Oregon State full ride for gymnastics. Well, have a great week, everyone. Don't forget, we will always post our episodes of Good Morning Lakeland on the LHS website and our Good Morning Lakeland Instagram page at LHS_GML. Give us a follow.
We look forward to coming into your second hour classes on Tuesdays and Fridays this school year. Students, if your teachers does not show Good Morning Lakeland in your second hour class, please remind them to.
Thanks for watching Good Morning Lakeland, and have a great day.